Pip is not recognized as an internal or external command. I'm running into a weird error when trying to install Django on my computer. This is the sequence that I typed into my command line. What could be causing this? This is what I get when I type in echo %path%.
You need to add the path of your pip installation to your path system variable. By default, pip is installed to C:\python34\scripts\pip. Pip now comes bundled with new versions of Python, so the path C:\python34\scripts needs to be added to your path variable. To check if it is already in your path variable, type echo %path% at the CMD prompt. To add the path of your pip installation to your path variable, you can use the control panel or the sets command. For example, note: according to the official documentation, variable set with sets variables are available in future command windows only, not in the current command window. In particular, you will need to start a new cmd.exe instance after entering the above command in order to utilize the new environment variable. Thanks to Scott Bartel for pointing this out.
For me, the command worked immediately. Try after echo %path% and you will see that your path has the value C:\python34\scripts. Thanks to adding a directory to the path environment variable in Windows.
For Windows, when you install a package, you type
As of now, version 3.7.3, I had a little bit of an issue with getting the right system variable. Try this. Type start %appdata% in CMD. After that, File Explorer should pop up in /appdata/roaming. Go back one directory and navigate to. Note, the version number may be different, so if you copy and paste the above file path it could not work. After you do this, you now have the correct location of your downloaded Python. Copy your file path by selecting the whole directory in the address bar. Once you do that, click the Start icon and navigate to the Control Panel System and Security System. Then click Advanced System Settings on the left side of the panel. Once there, click Environment Variables on the bottom right and there will be two boxes, an upper and a lower box. In the upper box, click on the Path variable and click Edit located on the right. Click New and paste your directory path. It should look something like this. Click OK 3 times, open a new window of CMD and type pip. See if it works.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.